Finding the right credit card often feels like trying to navigate a maze of fine print and hidden catches, but the Lake Michigan Credit Union Max Rewards Visa is a refreshing departure from the usual big bank runaround. This card is built as a practical workhorse for people who want their spending to actually work for them in the categories that matter most, specifically gas and groceries. It functions as a tiered cashback system that leans heavily into your everyday commuter and household expenses. You are looking at a very solid 3% cashback on gas, which is capped at the first $500 in spending per month. For most households, that is a very generous ceiling that covers the daily commute and then some. On top of that, you get an unlimited 2% cash back on groceries, which is a standout feature because many no annual fee cards tend to put strict limits on how much you can earn in that category. If you manage to qualify for the Visa Signature version of the card, that 2% reward extends to dining as well, though it is important to note that the standard Platinum version usually defaults to 1% for your restaurant tabs. Everything else you buy earns a flat 1%, providing a consistent baseline for all your other shopping needs. When you look at the financial DNA of this card, the numbers are actually quite impressive compared to national averages. The purchase annual percentage rate, or APR, ranges from 13.50% to 18.0%. This is a variable rate tied to the prime rate. Seeing a ceiling of 18% is actually a huge relief in an industry where many rewards cards are currently charging 25 to 30% interest. If you have well-qualified credit, usually a score of 760 or higher, that 13.50% rate is incredibly competitive. One of the most significant financial advantages here is the $0 balance transfer fee. Most big banks are going to hit you with a 3 to 5% fee just to move your debt, so having a $0 fee makes this an elite tool for anyone looking to consolidate high-interest debt from other cards. There is also no annual fee to worry about, though you should keep in mind there is a 1% foreign transaction fee. While 1% is better than the 3% industry standard, it is still something to watch out for if you do a lot of international shopping or traveling. From an educated perspective, this card solves a major pain point for people who are tired of their rewards being trapped in complex ecosystems. LMCU gives you great flexibility with redemption, allowing you to take cash back as statement credits or use points for travel and gift cards. But the real winner is the ability to apply your rewards directly as a credit toward an LMCU loan or mortgage. This creates a beautiful synergy for your personal finances. Furthermore, if you are already using LMCU's Max Checking account, this card is a perfect companion. It helps you hit that 10 transaction requirement to earn the 4% annual percentage yield on your checking balance without forcing you to use a debit card, which lacks the robust fraud protections you get with this Visa. You are essentially getting paid twice, once through the card rewards and again through the high interest on your checking account. However, no tool is perfect and there are some downsides to consider. The biggest hurdle is that you have to be a member of Lake Michigan Credit Union. While they make it easy to join with a $5 donation to a nonprofit, it is still an extra step in the process. You also have to be aware of the tiered rewards system for dining. If your credit score or limit doesn't land you the signature tier, you are missing out on that extra percent at restaurants. Additionally, if you are a churner looking for a massive sign-up bonus of several $100s, you will likely be disappointed as LMCU rarely offers those flashy introductory splashes. The 1% foreign transaction fee also means this shouldn't be your primary card when leaving the country. In summary, the Max Rewards Visa is an excellent choice for the disciplined spender who values long-term savings over short-term flashes. It excels at rewarding your biggest weekly expenses like gas and groceries while keeping your interest costs lower than the national average. The risks are minimal but worth noting. You are dealing with a variable APR that can fluctuate with the market, and there is a penalty APR of up to 18.0% if your account becomes 60 days past due. Additionally, the 3% fee on cash advances can add up quickly if you aren't careful. As long as you stay on top of your payments and use it for your daily domestic needs, the benefits of the $0 annual fee and $0 balance transfer fee far outweigh the minor membership hurdles.